Harman sir, I am grateful to you for giving me this opportunity to speak in this August House. Through you, sir, I would like to draw the kind attention of Honorable Minister of Railways regarding problems of North Odisha and Western Odisha. Sir, as you know that the steel city Raulkela is a smart city, also it is an industrial township located in the western part of the state. Near about 3 lakh people of districts like Bhadrak, Baleswar, Keonjhar, Jajpur, Kendrapada and Mayurbhanj are residing at Raulkela for their livelihood. Every now and then people from Raulkela are traveling to their native places located in the above districts are facing a lot of difficulties due to poor communication facilities. Only one train, that is Puri Haridwar Utkal Express, is running through this route where timing of the train is not suitable. Passengers are facing enormous problems. In this regard, North Odisha Rail Development and Coordination Committee have submitted their memorandum to Honorable Minister Railway to take necessary steps to play new trains.